Innovation, it's in Birmingham's DNA. Our city has always broken boundaries, and now our game-changing passion will have a new home, Birmingham's Innovation Quarter. This will be a hub of world-class thinking in one of the most investable propositions in the UK today. Here, exciting businesses and fresh new talent will collaborate, developing new ideas for how we use the spaces around us, for greener, safer travel, for supporting diverse needs and interests, constantly evolving, and exploring new ways for us all to live, work, study, play, and create.
The Birmingham Innovation Quarter is centred in the centre of Birmingham, with Aston University at the heart of the quarter. We have, together with our partners, articulated a compelling risk innovation strategy that has digital transformation, digital innovation at the heart of it. From the outset of our planning, the socioeconomic transformation is the key driver of all our efforts.
Great things happen when we get together, and this groundbreaking development is a true partnership between Aston University, Birmingham City Council and Bruntwood SciTech, with a shared vision and extensive track record. And we're working at pace to bring the Birmingham Innovation Quarter to life.
The whole BIQ proposition is being developed to shape the economic transformation that we see happening in Birmingham over the next 10 years. Really, we can break this down into three different parts of the economy. Firstly, those companies that are going to be developing the science and technology that's going to change the world. Then secondly, those companies that are going to adopt that science and technology to disrupt their sectors. And then thirdly, the way the fabulous financial and professional service sector of this city is going to pivot its proposition to support the other two areas. This will be the next chapter in Birmingham's history as the workshop of the world.
We believe the best ideas should benefit everybody. And that's why the Innovation Quarter will break down barriers to education, building on the legacies of Aston and Birmingham universities, offering training and jobs for our most deprived communities, and connecting people to education and major employers.
It's really exciting. The scaling of the investment is really important as well, so it'll show us how much more Birmingham can give to us with all the collaborations going on, and also very important that as we go forward, Birmingham will just continuously get better for students.
Birmingham already has a strong reputation for game-changing thinking. We're a global centre of data-driven healthcare, leading the way in areas such as photonics and genomics. We're recognised internationally for our life sciences capabilities, a prime location for clinical trials and data gathering. We also boast the UK's fastest-growing tech sector and a medical school that welcomes students from more diverse backgrounds than any other in the UK.
I think it's going to give the young people of Neutrals and other areas like our area multiple opportunities and chances to actually go out there and get what we deserve.
Above all, Birmingham is a city that says yes to new talent, to new ideas and to new opportunities from everywhere. We have the youngest, most diverse urban population in Europe, and you'll find over 180 languages spoken on our streets.
BIQ is going to affect the landscape of Birmingham by bringing new investment into the area. I mean, Birmingham was part of the Industrial Revolution. We are the Industrial Revolution, and we're going to be a new Industrial Revolution, one that uses tech to help people, to help the economy, fintech, edtech, all sorts of different things. And Birmingham and BIQ is going to be at the vanguard of that.
We're growing too, with more than £3.5 billion of infrastructure under development, plus more startups than any other regional UK city, and a rich quality of life that's more affordable than many other global cities.
The Birmingham Innovation Quarter will put the city on the map as a world leader in innovation, research and development. It will connect some of the most deprived wards in Birmingham to the city centre, furthering our mission to remove the barriers to jobs, training and opportunities.
From the Industrial Revolution to the Commonwealth Games, we've proven time and time again that we can deliver beyond every expectation. We were extraordinary. Our city is built on innovation, and now in this golden decade for Birmingham, we're starting an exciting new chapter with the potential to change the world. The Birmingham Innovation Quarter.